In this video, I have a penny stock trading at 24 cents that sells privately labeled odor control products to third parties who then market and sell them. And this is very important because their most successful product, the Pooph brand pet odor eliminator, is sold directly to Walmart, a $623 billion company, Amazon, just under a $2 trillion company, Home Depot, just under a $400 billion company, also including Target and many other of the biggest names out there. Guys, drop a quick like for me on this video if you are enjoying this content. This product seen right here, the Pooph brand, accounts for 70% of this tiny 24-cent penny stock's revenue, which does have this revolutionary technology. So the Pooph brand pays them a 6% royalty on their gross revenue sales in exchange for the rights to use this penny stocks technology for this pet odor brand. So basically that just means for every product sold, they get 6% of those gross revenue sales directly paid to them, and this brand is completely taken off. Like I said, is sold by the biggest names in the entire market right here. Looking at this on Amazon alone, this Pooph brand is the best seller. 40,000 of these were bought in the last month alone, just on Amazon alone, with 48,626 4-star reviews. And they do have national TV advertising going on, which is very big, is used by the 5 largest waste treatment companies in the country to eliminate odor and improve the quality of life in the surrounding communities, in the composting facilities, landfills, and recycling centers. This penny stock's revenue has doubled every single year for the past 3 years, and it looks like it will double yet again for 2024, as they just had a record historic revenue quarter. Just did over $5 million for the second quarter of 2024, did $4.8 million, or just around that, for the first quarter of 2024. So keep in mind, you always have 3 zeros when looking at these numbers. But in 2021, did $2.5 million in revenue. The next year in 2022, this more than doubled to $5.9 million. And then for 2023, this more than doubled once again. For 2024, it looks like it will more than double, or at least be around that level once again, as they've already done $10 million plus in revenue for the first half of 2024 for this year. So this one does have a lot of potential. This is ticker BLGO, Biolargo Inc., trading at 24 cents. You can see just for the last quarter, did over $5 million in revenue and almost broke even, as they only lost $441,000 that quarter. This company is valued at $73 million. As of right now, looking at their website, they do have 3 or 4 different subsidiaries. They have Biolargo Water, O&M Environmental, they have Biolargo Engineering, and Clara Medical. Looking at their balance sheet, they do have cash on hand. They do have $4.7 million, $10 million in total assets compared to $4 million in total liabilities. They have very little debt to even worry about, which is a very big positive right here on their balance sheet. So they just had this record $5 million revenue quarter, an historic quarter right there. And something that just happened recently, they just had a big partnership with the Air Force with their Biolargo engineering sector right here. So you can see on this PR, Biolargo Engineering increases ongoing revenue with another Air Force contract. Not even 2 weeks before this PR, they had another Air Force contract right before this PR came out. So it says U.S. Air Force work now amounts to over $100,000 in revenue per month. So they have multiple of these. So this is a company that creates and commercializes sustainable technologies to solve tough environmental and clean tech challenges. They just announced that this engineering subsidiary has been awarded a subcontract to provide air quality services to 2 Arizona U.S. Air Force bases for up to 4 years, with expected annual revenue of approximately $812,000. So a big revenue enhancer, as their revenue is already growing extremely fast quarter over quarter and year over year. So they do have multiple government and military contracts, which is very big. So looking at their latest 10Q filing, the Pooph brand accounts for 70% of their revenue, and I believe 78% for the last 6 months ended June 30th, 2024. Through their O&M environmental brand right here, they sell privately labeled odor control products based on their technologies to third parties who then market and sell their products under their own brand name. So obviously their most successful of these products is the Pooph brand, the pet odor control product sold by Pooph Inc., both directly to consumers and to national regional retailers, including Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Chewy.com, Target, Ralph's, and many others. So Pooph is advertised on television nationally and is expanding its product lines to other products based on their technologies, guys. So this Pooph brand is completely exploding, and if it does continue to grow, which it has, will further increase BLGO's revenue, and they do have a lot of other projects going on. So it's actually showing this as proof on their financial statements. This is an extremely rare opportunity. You can see on Amazon is marked as the best seller. You can see does have around 50,000 4-star reviews. It says 40,000 plus bought in the last month. So a very big opportunity. This Pooph brand does account for 70% of BLGO's revenue for this last quarter that just came out, and believe was 78% of their revenue for the first half of 2024. And you can see right here on their website, like I said earlier, this Pooph brand is used by the largest 5 waste treatment companies in the country to eliminate odor and improve the quality of life in the surrounding communities. So considering it does have these massive reviews on Amazon and is sold in Walmart and other, some of the biggest names in the entire retail market, does have these nice reviews, 40,000 plus bought in the last month alone, just on Amazon, just on one of their retail, outlets right here, is a rare opportunity. I think this one can see some upside from here as long as their revenue continues to enhance quarter over quarter. But this royalty deal is very big, as they do get 6% of the sales from this product right here. So just remember that this is an OTC play trading on the OTCQX. Now the OTCQX and the OTCQB are basically a better tier than the pink current market. Still very high risk play is on the OTC market, but is more appealable to investors at this upper tier level compared to the normal OTC play. So just keep that in mind. But this company does look good to me. Biolargo Inc. definitely is one of the hottest OTC plays with the most revenue growth, and they could be chasing or looking at profitability very soon, as they are very close to this. So just know that, and let me know in the comments what you think about this play, any other plays you're watching, and I will see you on the next video.